weche mag somo en ni jatend migao mar somo ngire George Magoha olero ni jopuonjre duto biro yaw skul kiny kaka ne ochan kendo gibiro yudo arita makare e kinde ma yiero manochor dhi nyime. Magoha wacho ni jopuonjre mantiere kaunti ma Mombasa kod Kakamega modak e skul biro bet e skundegi. Jopuonjre ma somo to dok pacho kende ema ok bi dhi skul chieng' yiero kendo chenro mag somo biro dhi nyime bang' yiero ma tich ariyo juma manyien. Magoha ne lose kinde ma bende norango chal mar klese mag CBC e alwora Makayole, kaunti ma Nairobi okinyi makawuono.
As I speak to you now, for example, a county like Nyeri has completed 100%. We are in the small process of ensuring that they get paid. The money is available at 788,200 per classroom. Most of the counties in the central region are at over 90%. Most of the counties in the Nyanza region are also over 90%, followed by the eastern region and the northern region. Globally, we are basically at 75%, which leaves us with a tough nut to crack of about 1,200 classrooms. I want to say without any fear of contradiction that if any of those jokes went to the wrong side, that was not the intention, and my apologies to the general public about that. There is nobody who is perfect. I believe that in order for me to have been given the opportunity to serve in this capacity, it was purely by the grace of God. As a practicing Christian, I respect everybody, from the lowest to the highest.